Hi, this is Elisa with WTI. If you are looking for places to hang your towels or your purse, but you don't want to make a hole on your wall, I don't blame you. I got the perfect solution for you. These suction cup hooks are so cute. I love how this company, Home Sew, not only package it super nicely, but they also give you the adhesive disc just in case you don't have a flat surface. That is so thoughtful. Once I got them, my husband installed them in less than a minute. Pretty much you just clean the surface, you make sure the hook is loosened, you attach the rubber part to the surface, then you add the cap, holding it with the other hand and tighten it very well so it won't come off. I love how it looks. It's super practical to either put your sponge or any towel. If you're not loving this color, they also have silver and black. And if you're thinking maybe of putting this in a surface that it's uneven or it's porous, don't worry about it because it also comes with this little adhesive disc that will allow you to use them. I highly recommend them, and that is just my point of view.